Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sync Steam with cloud storage so your game saves and settings are automatically backed up and accessible from any device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the word Steam there. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings to access Steam's configuration panel. Once the Settings window opens, you'll notice a left panel with various categories. Click on Cloud from this list. This section is specifically designed to manage how Steam handles your cloud storage and synchronization features, which is crucial for keeping your game progress safe and accessible across multiple devices. Now, in the cloud settings, you'll see an option called Enable Steam Cloud. Right beside this option, there's a toggle switch. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. When you enable this feature, Steam will automatically upload your game saves, screenshots, and configuration files to the cloud. This means that if you ever switch computers, reinstall Steam, or play on a different device, all your progress will be right there waiting for you. It's worth noting that this feature works seamlessly in the background, so you won't need to manually upload or download anything. Steam handles everything automatically whenever you launch or exit a game that supports cloud sync. This gives you peace of mind knowing your gaming progress is always protected and synchronized. And that's it. You've now enabled Steam Cloud synchronization, ensuring all your game data is safely backed up and accessible from any device where you log into Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.